In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this sea urchin for your room decor. I'm going to use just a handful of straws, which I cut into two to make two bundles. Next, I secured the middle of one of the bundles with a zip tie and pulled it till it was tight. I used a long piece of crocheting rope to secure the other bundle. Any strong rope can be used also. Thank you for clicking on my video. I hope you are enjoying it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I'll advise you use a zip tie to secure the straws if you have one. It's easier. Next, I sprayed the straws with some gold spray paint, and that was it. If you are interested in more of such budget-friendly and easy-to-make crafts, then check out my next video where I show you how to make a wall decor using cake sheets. Bye!